Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Deviant is an online social platform and community that serves as a hub for artists of various mediums to showcase and share their creative works with a global audience. Founded in 2000, Deviant has since grown into one of the largest art-sharing websites on the internet. Artists, whether amateurs or professionals, can create profiles and upload their artwork, which includes illustrations, paintings, photography, digital art, literature, and more. The platform allows for easy interaction between artists and their fans through comments, favorites, and critiques, fostering a supportive and collaborative environment. Deviant also features groups where users with similar interests can join and participate in themed communities, such as fan art groups, specific art styles, or genres. Additionally, artists can sell their prints and artwork through the site's integrated print-on-demand service, providing them with an opportunity to monetize their talent. With its vast array of artworks, diverse community, and interactive features, Deviant continues to be a prominent platform for artists to gain exposure, improve their skills, and engage with a passionate audience of art enthusiasts worldwide. Making money on Deviant primarily involves leveraging your artistic skills and building a strong presence within the community. Here are some ways artists can potentially earn money on Deviant. Sell prints and merchandise. Deviant offers a print-on-demand service that allows artists to sell prints of their artwork. You can set your own pricing, and Deviant handles the production, shipping, and customer service. Additionally, you can create and sell merchandise featuring your art, such as mugs, phone cases, or t-shirts, through the platform's partnership with other print-on-demand services. Offer commissions. Many artists on Deviant take commissions from fans and clients. By showcasing your artistic skills and building a portfolio, you can attract people interested in commissioning custom artwork. Be clear about your pricing, turnaround time, and the types of commissions you're willing to undertake. Participate in contests. Deviant frequently hosts art contests sponsored by various companies or organizations. Winning these contests can come with cash prizes or other rewards. Participating in such contests can help gain exposure and recognition for your art. Collaborate with brands or projects. If your artwork aligns with certain brands or projects, they might be interested in partnering with you for promotional purposes. Collaborations can range from creating promotional art to designing products or even illustrating books and comics. Offer premium content and subscriptions. Deviant Eclipse, the platform's newer version, introduced a subscription model that allows artists to offer exclusive content to subscribers for a monthly fee. You can provide high-resolution images, works in progress, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes insights to entice fans to subscribe. Network and engage. Building a supportive and engaged audience on Deviant is essential for success. Interact with fellow artists and art enthusiasts, join art groups, and comment on others' work. The more active you are in the community, the more likely your art will be noticed and shared. Remember, success on Deviant and any other platform takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. It's essential to create high-quality art that resonates with people and find your niche within the community. Building a strong portfolio and actively promoting your work on and off the platform will increase your chances of making money from Deviant. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.